So it's Monday. Getting back to it. Back to the grind. I think this week is the last week of this class, so it's going to be on to advanced electrical. So going to be on to the next one very shortly. Hopefully your weekend was good. I was type shit sick. So let's get into it. Wow.
And shout out to Manny, I'm bringing the rain. I'm fucking, I dip, I'll be bringing the pain. She said that her nigga don't do it the same. I told little baby, say my name. Beat from the back.
Only gets power when? The start of the car. So M simply means the motor. Starter motor. Exactly. So when they're talking about the starter motor, we're going from the positive of the starter motor, we're going to go across the entire thing. So the positive of the starter motor to the ground. Alright? It could be the ground on the motor itself, or you could go to the engine block, whatever is simpler for you. Alright? Solenoid is the same thing. Solenoid gets power from where? When you started it, boom. So what should our reading be?
Source.
14.4.
No? Positive to positive.
Like 13. Oh, positive to positive? Oh, less than 0.5.
0.5, yes, less than 0.5. Alright? If we check for available voltage now, alright, where we have one lead on the positive and then another lead on the ground, then we'll see 12 volts, 13 volts, something like that when cranking. Alright? So that's gonna be your the 4 measurements that I think it's like 4 or 5 that they actually, I can't remember. But very simple, alright? They're gonna ask you for the spec, and then they're gonna ask you for the actual voltage. You should already know the spec, because like I said, it's very repetitive, alright? And then you're gonna take the actual voltage, write down what you see. Any questions? Good? Alright, grab my stuff, head downstairs. Alright, y'all, look, let me get your attention. I want you guys to set these up on a battery charger, and I want you to set the vehicle up so that it cranks, but it does not start. Alright, you want it to crank, but not start. That's easy.
Yeah, well, it's fire. Even if you disconnect the coil, it doesn't matter. Spark fuel timing. Also, we'll be taking this off. Spark fuel, air, and ignition. Cut off. Oh no, air you can't cut off. Air is always gonna come in. Spark fuel. He said the ignition fuse could be away, but there's a better option. That was insane.
So not just taking off the battery is not good enough?
No, because you need the car to crank. The B terminal. This.
Crank but don't start?
This one.
So you could do the ignition, but what
Do you know which one it is? Oh.
The ignition would be disable, but the fuel pump
You need light?
is pumping gas into it. So then you'll end up flooding the vehicle now. So that's why I said it's a better way to do it.
So when you disconnect the fuel pump, it cranks because it's looking out, but there's no fuel.
You see, at pump, fuel pump.
Okay.
So, which one is it?
It's got a great plastic.
Yeah, like.
Let me see. Let me see the cover. Yeah, you're right. It's right here. Yeah, this one.
I mean, I don't know if you use the car to get to work. But,
Alright, let me try it. Alright, let's see. Oh, fuck. We gotta put the battery shit on it first, no? Right?
Put the battery charger.
Yeah, so I can try and start it. Alright, that one is on.
You put it back in.
Alright, the fuse is pulled. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Yo, CV, make sure the tender is on and all that. I'm about to try it. The battery charger is on. I bet. Let me know. Alright, I'm gonna try to start it. Yo, CV, here, you want?
Hey guys,
My
welcome.
dog.
I got the camera now. Today,
Today,
what are we learning?
Oh, you know, we're unplugging the fuel pump to stop the car from turning on, cranking. Oh, wait. Trying to make the car crank without starting.
Facts. Make it crank without starting. So what we gotta do, because I just learned this, you gotta take out the fuel pump fuse, because that way fuel won't be going into the engine and there's nothing to make it combust. Now if you take out the ignition, then you're just gonna flood the engine with fuel. So that's basically how you make it crank without starting. I don't know. Mr. Fix It. His fingernails? He probably get pedicures. I know a couple people who do that. Are we ready? Yo, Mo, we ready? Mo, are we ready? Wait. Okay, let's go, boys. Let's start it up. Did we lose? Sir, you lied to us.
We've been lied to. So why is it still starting? Don't turn it off.
Don't turn it off, he said.
Don't turn it off?
Yeah, leave it on.
I'm turning it back on. Alright, it's over.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. So why did it start the first time? Shut off.
Because they had fuel in it. Oh! Hey, you got to do it 2 times. Yeah, it had fuel in. It had fuel in it.
Oh, okay. What are we saying? The draining part of it.
There we go. Hey, we did it, you freaking losers.
It keeps cranking and not starting now.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Alright, now you're gonna go open up your apps to start a test.
Starter test.
It's gotta refresh. Wait, but what is it called again?
Starter test.
You gotta wait. It's refreshing. Look.
It's refreshing right now.
It's taking its sweet ass time.
You got no service?
Yeah, I guess not. $40,000. We can't get internet.
That's hilarious. You said $40,000. You can't get internet.
All right, what are we looking for? Not this, right? Using a battery charger? What are we doing?
Mr. Stewart.
Here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna
You
type.
can just copy from me. You don't actually have to put your laptop down.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Put
Seriously.
your laptop down. Go put your laptop down.
I think I'm pretty good with a camera. Well, guys, this is my last time recording. I apologize.
You can stay. You're just not getting any food for the next week.
Ah, fuck.
Guard's cameraman can't eat.
The Gar's cameraman can't eat. Bro, this is a weird.
Let's go. Yeah.
But which one? Blue? This one? Ah, fuck it. We're hopping in this one while they're working. I'm gonna sit in the front. I don't want the driver's seat though.
I'm gonna sit in the back. I don't want the driver's seat. I'm gonna sit behind you.
Yo, Dooley, you wanna take over the camera? Oh, y'all did it already? Ah, never mind.
Wait, yo, we should finish this.
Well, actually, yeah, you should take the camera.
That's like a lot of hand held work. I know your hands starting to hurt.
Nah, never. Hold on, let me return this.
Why don't we just finish that?
We're about to.
That's sitting in the car?
Yeah. Now, bro, that's way more comfortable. Let's sit in the black one. Yup, I'm about to do boring activities. You about to do what activities? Oh.
But yeah, we out here learning how to mess with fuel pumps and whatnot. You know, the vibes.
The vibes.